In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my Facebook profile link using the new update. If you need to share your Facebook profile with someone, maybe for networking, messaging, or adding it to another platform, the good news is that Facebook makes it pretty quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the easiest method in a clear way so you can find and copy your profile link without any confusion. First, go to Facebook. If you're using a phone or tablet, open the Facebook app and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on Facebook, head over to your profile page. This is the page that shows your profile picture, cover photo, and all of your personal posts and information. When you're on your profile, look for the three dots near the Edit Profile section. This button opens additional profile options and settings that aren't shown right away on the main profile page. Tap those three dots to open the menu. After that, scroll down through the options until you reach the bottom. Depending on your app version, you may need to move a little slowly so you don't miss it. What you're looking for is the copy link option. Once you see it, tap copy link. Facebook will automatically copy your personal profile URL to your device's clipboard. At that point, your profile link is ready to paste wherever you need it. For example, you can send it in a message, add it to a document, or share it in another app. If you want to double check that it copied correctly, you can paste it into a Notes app or message draft first before sending it. If you're using a computer instead of the mobile app, the process is even simpler. Go to Facebook in your web browser, open your profile page, and then look at the address bar at the top of the browser. Your profile link will be the full URL shown there. Just highlight it, copy it, and then paste it wherever you want to use it. One helpful tip is to make sure you're copying your personal profile link and not the link to a post, photo, or page by mistake. As long as you start from your main profile page, you should be fine. And that's it. That's how to find your Facebook profile link with the new update. Once you know where the three-dot menu and copy link option are located, the whole process only takes a few seconds.